Hi my dear friends, welcome to our Redbugs YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful hat. Here it is. So let's see what we want for this. We want a small yogurt cup and a paper plate and a small red color glitter paper and a green color glitter paper piece and a yellow color A4, and I have taken some flowers from Redbugs product and a Pom Pom packet and a ribbon, scissor and a glue bottle. Let's see how we can make this. First, you take the paper plate and you have to keep it on top and you have to get the circle size. Then you cut it. After that, you apply some glue on the paper plate. Paste the circle. Then you have to get the yogurt cup and you have to keep like this on top and have to get another small circle like this. Then cut that small circle. After finish pasting, you will get a circle like this, and take the yogurt cup and behind you have to cut a circle again, a small hole. And you will get the hole like this. Then put the yogurt cup inside, fix it down. Then get the red color glitter paper and remove the sticker part, paste it around it. Then before we cut a small circle, then paste it on top. Apply some glue. Yes, like this. Then let's see, we need some pom pom on it. I have taken some pom poms from Redbugs products. So let's apply some glue on the hat, then we can paste them. They are very beautiful. You can buy them. Then take the small glitter paper and cut 2 leaves. You can cut any shape. I cut like this, small. Then you can paste it. I have taken 2 flowers from Red Bag products. Let's apply them. Apply here one, apply here one. Then you can paste another leaf, then you will get like this. Then I have taken a beautiful ribbon from Red Bag products. It's very easy. You get a ribbon like this, then you can tie it. This is how we made the beautiful hat. See, this is very easy and you can make alone. So you can subscribe our YouTube channel Red Bag, and you can comment and you can share. Thank you.